looking forward to this weekend, eh? Try and get this thing dialed in a little bit more this afternoon, try some new tyres, and yeah, we've got a broken engine mount at the moment, but got some engine mounts coming down overnight, and trying to use a bloody strop, just a, you know, bit of Kiwi ingenuity, bit of Fanga style. Yeah, we went out there first session and just broke the engine down, just from that. I love it. I think I love it the more I drive it, because and the more throttle you can get down, like the better lines and that you find, and you can like, to me it's like trying to make my car sound like a sprint boat, you know, especially come down the hill. It's just like whoop, 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 whoop. You know, it's just like, you just imagine those, you know, like a sprint boat going around on the islands and stuff, and like, I love that sort of stuff, and that's going down that hill and through that section. That's what it reminds me of, eh? You know, with the sound of this thing. So I sometimes just play with it and try and make it sound different, just to try and get some better noises out of it. But it's cool, man.